Can you imagine the fish? Enjoy the videos until the end.
What's up, truth seekers? Welcome to The Hidden Truth, where we dive into the mysteries and uncover the facts.
The mudskipper, found in mangroves across Africa, Asia, and Australia, uses its fins to hop and scale tree roots. This oddball can breathe air and survive out of water for hours, breaking all the rules of typical sea creatures. It's a hidden gem of evolution most people don't know about. Ready to dive into more bizarre nature facts? Keep exploring.